To make a Chime account under 18, you will need to have a parent or guardian involved in the process. Chime is a mobile banking service that offers a range of financial tools and services, but it is only available to individuals 18 years or older. However, Chime does offer a feature called SpotMe, which allows parents to create an account for their children. The first step is to have your parent or guardian create a Chime account in their name. They will need to provide their personal and financial information to open the account. Once the account is open, they can add you as an authorized user on their account. This will allow you to have access to a debit card and make purchases. But your parent or guardian will still be responsible for managing the account. To add you as an authorized user, your parent or guardian will need to go to the Chime website or mobile app and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, they can select the option to add an authorized user and enter your name and date of birth. They will also need to provide their consent for you to use the account. Once you have been added as an authorized user, you will receive a debit card in your name. You can use this card to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs. But you will not be able to manage the account or make any changes to the account settings. It is essential to note that as an authorized user, you will not have the same level of control over the account as your parent or guardian. They will still be responsible for managing the account and making decisions about how the account is used. In terms of best practices, it is crucial to use the account responsibly and only make purchases that you have discussed with your parent or guardian. You should also make sure to keep your debit card and account information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Overall, making a Chime account under 18 requires the involvement of a parent or guardian. By following these steps and using the account responsibly, you can gain experience with managing finances and learn valuable skills that will benefit you in the long run.